announcement na po na ang SIM registration is until April 26, 2023. Type nyo po yung number nyo dito. Lalabas po ito pagka-click nyo po ng link. And then, i-verify nyo po yung number nyo. Ilagay nyo po yung details nyo dito. Make sure na sakto po yung spelling nyo. Dito naman, kailangan nyo pong i-upload yung picture ng valid ID nyo at saka mag-selfie. So, presentation of valid government-issued identification cards of other similar forms of documents with photo that will verify the identity of the end user such as but not limited to the following. So, basahin nyo lang po ito kasi ito po yung mga samples nila. So, ito na, pipicturein ko na yung PRC ID ko. And ngayon naman is mag-selfie para makita nila kung parehas ba talaga, ay mukha ko ba talaga yung andun sa ID ko. And then, kailangan yung ilagay yung ID number nyo po dito. I-tick nyo yung I confirm and then click submit. Ayan, registration complete na po with your reference code. To make sure, inulit ko lang po yung process. And then, ito po yung lumabas na your SIM has been previously registered. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.